So hi guys, we're here once again in capital site. This time though, I'm here for the grand opening of House of Lechon Don Jose Avila St branch. And for sure it's gonna be an awesome night of lechon. So check out this video guys. So it's time to eat guys. We're here at the newest branch of House of Lechon in Don Jose Avila St, capital site. And we're gonna try out some of their best dishes. Let's start off with our scallops. This one, on the main course, of course, inasal. The bird part.
Ang pinakamahal na fish,
Una sisig guys. So it's time for dessert. This is Oreo mango float.
We are so happy to announce you that we just had our grand opening for the newest branch of House of Lechon over here at Don Jose Avila St, capital site, Cebu City. Yeah, and we're inviting you guys to come and visit us here. We have all the food that you would want to eat, so try it out over here. At a very good price as well, and of course, look at our interior design. You'll truly love it here.
Just had dinner here, the newest branch of House of Lechon here at Don Jose Avila St, capital site, Cebu City, and you know what? Wow, of course, it's all. When I eat here, I always enjoy it. Of course, their lechon is so good, so crispy, and the Carcar Lechon is just, a different type of lechon that I so much enjoy and love. And of course, they have new dishes by the way, like the tuna cakes, the tuna sisig, and of course the old favorites like the scallops. And by the way, you have to leave room for desserts because I had an Oreo mango float and it was so freaking sweet and good. So if you're a sweet tooth, definitely gonna enjoy it. So yes, they're now open, so there are new branches now. Because before, when we go there, the House of Lechon in Acacia Street in Kamputao, sometimes you can't find seats anymore. The parking is so hard. Now they have another branch. You have now an alternative near the Cebu Doctors Hospital here in Capital Side, and definitely you're gonna enjoy it here. The old favorites, the charm of their new brand. I mean the charming branch. So nice, so good, and come on over, guys, and let me know what you think about this branch. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you in my next food trips. Okay, bye bye.